Hello and welcome to the week with me, Pooja Avasthi. I'm standing here at the confluence of the Ganga and the Yamuna. Not far from me is the mythical Saraswati, and where it joins is the Triveni, the holiest of holy places for Hindus and, in fact, for people all around the world who are seeking spiritual salvation to take a dip in it. Now, do you know that when the Kumbh or the Mahakumbh takes place in Prayagraj, there is actually a Nagari which comes up. And do you know that this is actually a notified district in UP? But this Nagari is in existence for approximately 3 months. It has its own administrative and its police setup. There is a 7-layer of security which has been thrown, which starts from outside the state's borders. There is going to be AI-enabled security. So, if at any ghat or at even any parking spot, it starts to get too crowded, the police and the management will know at once where to divert the crowds. There is an integrated command and control center, and a viewing of this integrated command and control center has been set up at various places in this Kumbh Nagari.
The Mahakumbh has now found a perfect partnership with technology to offer an easy, seamless experience. The foremost amongst these partnerships is in the form of an artificial intelligence-powered chatbot called Sahayak, which was launched by the Prime Minister and Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister on December 13. The chatbot will provide navigation updates and cultural insights to millions of devotees who shall converge on the banks of the Triveni. It is a free 24/7 guide capable of answering questions in 11 languages: Hindi, English, Tamil, Telugu, Marathi, Malayalam, Urdu, Gujarati, Punjabi, Kannada, and Bangla. These questions can cover the whole gamut, from the details about the Kumbh to the must-visit attractions to details of tours and packages. This platform allows pilgrims to easily navigate the Mela area, offering guidance on various topics such as the history, rituals, and significance of Mahakumbh, travel and accommodation options, and key attractions around Prayagraj.
Do you know that there are QR codes for almost everything in this Kumbh? Have a problem with security? Need medical emergency? Just scan your code. Have a problem with civic amenities? Scan your code, and help is going to reach you within minutes. So you see, this is a confluence unlike any other, where tradition meets modernity. So it becomes a must visit for you then.